Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the check is payable to you and that the date, numeric amount, written amount, and signature match. Once done, compare the payee name with your account records and decide deposit versus cashing. Make sure you have a valid photo ID, your account number, and either the bank's deposit slip or the mobile app ready. Begin immediately by endorsing the back of the check only in the designated area and avoid signing until you are at the teller or ready to deposit. Now endorse the check. Sign your name exactly as the payee and add a restrictive endorsement, such as for deposit only and your account number, if using mobile or ATM deposit. Once done, choose teller, ATM, or mobile deposit. At the teller, hand the check and deposit slip. At the ATM, follow screen prompts to insert and confirm images. In the app, photograph both sides per instructions. Make sure to keep a record of the check number, amount, and any confirmation. Finish by verifying the deposit posts to your account within 24 to 48 hours. Check pending versus posted status in the mobile app or online banking. If the bank places a hold or flags the check, contact customer service immediately and have the check image, deposit receipt, and your ID ready to expedite release. If the check is returned unpaid or altered, dispute it promptly and request a copy of the presenting bank's image. This protects your funds and starts a fraud claim if needed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.